Fuck every single reason you have in your head that is keeping you back from the things that you want in this life. If you have a vision, if you have a dream, if you have a goal, then be relentless about that. Be indescribably relentless about that. Do not have that goal out of selfishness. Do not have that goal out of vanity. Do not have that goal out of wounds of self-destruction. Have that goal out of love for yourself, of wanting to see yourself go as far as you possibly can and then keep going.